Our journey at Affordable Comfort has always been about more than just heating and cooling. It's about growth, both as a company and individuals. Our team is like a family. We prioritize a work culture where everyone feels appreciated, valued, and is inspired to grow. Because we take care of our family, they take care of yours. We're not just about doing the job, we're about making a difference. From supporting local businesses to giving back through community initiatives, we're dedicated to creating a positive impact where we live and work.
I've known the company, the reputation in Barrie for years, and based on now my own personal experience, nothing but good things to say about them.
The technicians are knowledgeable and they know what they're doing. I feel confident that the installation is going to be good.
I would definitely recommend Affordable Comfort to family and friends for sure.
Today I've already recommended Affordable Comfort to my neighbor, and I will for sure in the future.
We know life is busy, so we focus on making your experience seamless and stress-free. From quick responses to reliable heating, cooling, plumbing, and electrical solutions, we are here to make sure everything runs smoothly. At Affordable Comfort, we're not just your home comfort experts, we're also your neighbors, community partners, and trusted friends. From everyone here at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.